Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest tips and tricks for navigating the digital world. Today, we'll be showing you how to remove a saved bookmark on Twitter using your PC. So, let's get started. Step 1. Tap the share icon from the tweet within your bookmark timeline. Locate the tweet you want to remove from your bookmarks and click on the share icon, usually represented by an arrow pointing upwards. Step 2. Select Remove Tweet from Bookmarks. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. From the options provided, choose Remove Tweet from Bookmarks to remove the tweet from your saved bookmarks. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a saved bookmark on Twitter using your PC. This will help you keep your bookmarked tweets organized and up to date. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Happy tweeting!